I'd recommend any farmer that's looking to increase their efficiency on the software side of things to look into Traction Ag software. One thing I like about Traction is that I can download the bank transactions by a click of a button. And that is so easy, and that saves me so much time. And it makes me more willing to just get here and get it done instead of having to download files and, convert them to the software. So that saves me time and efficiency in my own work and willingness to do it. I would say I would save several hours every week.